show around. Mr. Brown, I'd like to welcome you to our tools factory site. My name is Li Hui, and I will be showing you around today. Please feel free to ask questions at any point during our tour. I will be happy to answer questions for you. I hope you will have a main idea about our factory. Thank you. Now, this is our office block. We have all the administrative departments here: sales, accounting, personnel, market research, and so on. Can I have a look at your main plant? Yes, this way. Considering your safety, please wear protective gear. Is it really necessary to wear all this protective gear? Yes, I'll bet you're wondering why we ask you to wear hard hats and safety goggles while you're in the plant. The reason is simple. We want to ensure there are no injuries today. As you will see, to maintain a high level of safety, we also require all of our staff to wear similar protective gear. Okay. Here in the main plant is where most of the action takes place. We produce and package more than 600,000 units per year on these machines. How many employees do you have working in this area? We have about 50 employees on the ground floor, which is about 20% of the total staff. Ground floor employees include production line workers, maintenance staff, and quality control managers. What do all your quality control people oversee? They are responsible for ensuring the continuity of quality of the products that come out of our plant. Here, let's move on to the assembly shop. It's up to you. Okay, let's go. All right.